MOTOVELO, derived from moto and velo, embodies electric bicycles designed for effortless and joyful cycling, reflecting our passion for exploration and overcoming challenges. Founded in 2017 in South Korea, MOTOVELO has grown into the country's leading e-bike brand over 8 years. We operate 2 R&D centers in South Korea and China, with 2 major production facilities in South Korea and China, certified with ISO 9001 quality management and ISO 14001 environmental management. 2 logistics hubs in South Korea ensure efficient domestic delivery. Manufacturing in South Korea exempts our European exports from anti-dumping duties, offering a competitive edge with a Korean certificate of origin. Leveraging robust industrial chains in South Korea and China, MOTOVELO delivers high-performance and cost-effective e-bikes, solidifying its position as South Korea's top brand. We operate over 360 retail stores nationwide. Our business model includes 3 segments: e-bike sales through retail stores and online channels, city sharing services, and rental solutions, providing versatile mobility options. From our Chinese facility, we export to Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asia, while our South Korean base serves Europe and North America markets. Our core values are user-first and value-oriented. We prioritize our users' riding experience, delivering exceptional products and services while continuously evolving to exceed expectations. MOTOVELO's mission is to make mobility enjoyable and add convenience to life. Committed to innovation, quality, and service, we aim to be the world's most trusted brand and a reliable OBM/ODM OEM supplier in short-distance mobility sector. We warmly welcome partners and clients to visit our facilities for in-depth discussions and collaboration.